Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss Marxist criticism. Introduction. Marxist criticism is a multifaceted approach to analyzing literature that draws its theoretical foundation from the economic and cultural theories of Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels. Fundamentals of Marxist criticism. The essence of Marxist criticism rests on several fundamental claims. The role of material production. According to Marxist critics, the development of humanity, social groupings, institutions, and ways of thinking is primarily influenced by the changing mode of material production, the economic organization responsible for producing and distributing goods. Class structure and struggle. Historical shifts in the mode of material production lead to changes in the class structure of societies. Each era establishes dominant and subordinate classes which engage in an ongoing struggle for economic, political, and social supremacy. Influence of ideology. Human consciousness is shaped by ideology, a set of beliefs, values, and ways of thinking and feeling through which individuals perceive and explain reality. Ideology is intricately connected to the position and interests of particular social class. The dominant ideology in any era serves to legitimize and perpetuate the interests of the ruling economic and social class. Marxist criticism and ideology. In the context of Marxist criticism, the concept of ideology assumes paramount importance. While initially used by French philosophers in the late 18th century, to signify the development of general concepts from sense perception, Marxist criticism defined ideology as the product of society's economic structure and class relations. It functions as a superstructure over the socio-economic system, a means to justify and maintain the position and power of the dominant class. Marxist critics analyze literature not as timeless works of art, but as products that reflect the specific economic and ideological determinants of their respective eras. They focus on unraveling the hidden motivations and repressed aspects of literary texts, shedding light on the contradictions and flaws inherent in the prevailing ideology. Key figures and adaptations. Some prominent figures in Marxist criticism include George Lucas, who emphasized the autonomy of great literary works in representing the contradictions of their epochs, and Antonio Gramsci, who introduced the concept of hegemony, the power of a social class to influence others through pervasive ideological influence. However, Marxist criticism has not been without its internal debates and adaptations. Scholars like Raymond Williams and Terry Eagleton have adopted Marxist concepts to accommodate humanistic concerns, while Frederick Jameson has taken an eclectic approach, incorporating elements from various critical perspectives into a broader Marxist framework. Conclusion. In conclusion, Marxist criticism offers a powerful lens to examine literature's relationship with the prevailing economic and ideological forces of a society. By exploring the underlying class struggles and ideological representations, this critical approach seeks to expose the hidden aspects of texts and promote a transformative engagement with the world. By applying Marxist criticism, readers and scholars can unearth the intricate connections between literature and the broader social, economic, and ideological dimensions that shape human experience. So this was the discussion on Marxist criticism. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.